out at the spot. Dad just put the anchor down.
How you doing? Got a little bit of swell kicking up here.
Yeah.
Not sure how long we're going to be sitting on this spot.
Give this spot a go. Swell's a little bit up. And we're looking for a big pinky.
Pinky time! Drop it down. Give it another crack. What are you fishing for, mate?
Fish.
Fish? Oh, that's a good one. Like King George, maybe?
Trying to get a fish.
Beautiful sunset, guys. Birds in the background. Another neighbourly boat. Tight lines! A few Tommies.
Get here. It's on time to stay on. So we only ended up with 3 herring. Now it's going dark, but yeah, fun anyway. But got pretty unlucky.
How's it going, guys? Oh, that was great.
So this is just a cooking and or eating part of the fish. So we got the herring, smoked herring, and we got
Smells so good.
salmon. Then we got Mount Franklin.
Oh, you
Light
have that?
water.
Oh, this is what you cook your fish in. No, I want to be sponsored by Procure, Scent for Soft Plastics. I want to be sponsored by Z-Man, Gulp. Oh, also I forgot to say, go check out Complete Angler Rockingham. They are the people that hit us up with all the great tackle and all that. So go and tell them we sent you. So yeah, tell them that Sam and Lincoln sent you. They can sponsor us after that. No.
Dig in. We got the salmon head.
Look at the cheekbones. Can you see the cheekbones? Right there. That's really good eating there. Hey Lincoln, you have to eat the eye.
No.
Because it's the biggest fish in WA, you have to eat the eye.
No.
Yep.
No.
You always do that. I caught my first flathead in a couple of years, and I ate the eye, so you've got to... And you were here when I did it.
I ate it.
As well, yeah, you got to eat this. I'll eat it with you as well.
No, I'm good.
Come on, look how delicious it looks. It's your biggest
See when
fish.
we get the meat off. Let's try it.
Throws up. Look, do into the fish tank, Elise. We should catch it.
It's actually not bad.
We need to go catch and cook on Lincoln's fish. They look very yummy.
No.
That was an extreme close-up. How do you like it? There's the smoked herring that Tom did for us.
Yeah, shout out to Tom.
Yeah, this is good. Ready? I like it.
Eat it.
Oh, yeah, eat it.
You just use your fingers.
No, I'm grabbing meat with a fork.
Or just take the backbone off.
Oh, yeah. There's a whole bunch of bones in there.
Yeah, it's called the backbone.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so take it off and then you get like
No,
1 or
see
2 bones.
Yeah, off the backbone. Delicious. Let's put that in there. Oh, smoked herring. So good.
Well, I think this is going to be the end for this time. So,
yeah. Well, we just finished episode 9. It's a pool video. I think you guys will like that. That's pretty cool. It goes for 20 minutes, so first long video over 10. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, can't. Okay, so here's a little tip. So, how to make like a metallic like car engine noise. So you got to get a can. Obviously, it's gonna be empty. You got to squeeze about there. You got to kind of fold it. What you want to do is you want to do like your best car noise into it, and then you'll start to hear it. So, and when it goes to metallic noise, you got the right frequency. So you keep it at that, and you just go into it. Oh, Lincoln's laughing so hard. Oh, anyway.
Sam, everyone.
To annoy someone, just do that, because I'll bet you it'll work.
Alright, now this is bye.